Good morning, Mihira. Just a quick handover for Mrs. Eleanor Vance in bed 4. She presented yesterday with what initially seemed like a straightforward case of contact dermatitis on her hands, quite inflamed with some weeping. However, overnight, she developed a rather extensive, pruritic rash spreading across her trunk and upper limbs. She mentioned using a new brand of hand sanitizer just prior to the initial flare-up, but also recalled a similar, though less severe, episode a few months ago after using a different moisturizer. She denies any new food intake or recent travel. Her temperature is stable, and her vitals are within normal limits. We've applied some emollient and a mild topical corticosteroid cream to the affected areas for now. Keep a close eye on the extent and severity of the rash, and particularly note any signs of systemic involvement, like breathlessness or facial swelling, although that seems unlikely at this stage.
Right. Mrs. Vance in bed 4. So, the initial hand issue might be separate from this more widespread rash then. It sounds like we need to be alert to potential allergic reactions rather than just a localized irritant.
The temporal relationship with the hand sanitizer is suggestive, but the subsequent widespread eruption and the previous similar incident point towards a possible underlying sensitivity to a common excipient in skincare products. Mihira, for now, continue with the current topical treatment and ensure she's comfortable. Let me know immediately if there are any significant changes or if the itching becomes unmanageable despite the emollient. MIHIRAA, getting back on your feet as soon as it is safe to do so is one of the kindest gifts you can give your body right now. Moving around early in your recovery keeps your circulation active to protect you against blood clots, helps your lungs expand fully to prevent complications like pneumonia, and steadily builds up your strength. Every small movement brings you one step closer to regaining your full independence and heading home where you can heal surrounded by comfort. When you feel ready to sit up, take everything at a gentle, comfortable pace. Start by rolling onto your side toward the edge of the mattress, keeping your knees slightly bent. From there, use your arm to slowly push your upper body up while letting your legs swing naturally over the side of the bed. Take a few quiet moments to rest right there on the edge, allowing your body time to adjust and ensuring you do not feel dizzy, before standing up with your healthcare team right by your side to support you.